Wala siyang buhay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Ipasa mo lang siya. I-back mo. Selfie kayo. Selfie. Beshi, I like your mic. I know! Really? What is that? I did! You did it? You did it! I think it's Susu. I did! I think it's Susu. I think it's Susu.
Akala ko Halloween pa rin. Akala ko Halloween pa rin.
Talaga yung work namin.
Agapan mo na. Cheryl, agapan mo na.
Yung mesa yata na nakakalimutan natin. That's what they can do with firecrackers. Kaya ako. Kaya, gawin na natin.
Calling your attention, please. Get back to your seat.
That's good.
Back to your seat.
Kanina ka pa dyan, order ng order.
Hindi, ang gaganda kasing tingnan yung mga.
Oo, nakaka-addict talaga. Kaya ako pinigil ko po kada sa hindi ba naman. Umalis na si Tito, ibang budget. Maganda
Pag ako ang mag-order, tapos gamitin ko, ayaw ko, pero pag yung ibang nag-order, tapos gamitin ko, gusto ko.
Tama na yan. Umilang ka na. Kang, ano yung mic, Kang?
Guys, on your seat.
Nandun yung mic sa gilid.
Pwede
pa kayo, Rong? Mamaya na kayo pasok. Kita nyo naman yung limited edition.
Guys, I need to count that Christmas crackers.
Lahat ng baso inyo. Lahat ng baso inyo.
Nagka-crop na kami. Bye. Sarah. Hala, umalis na si Ate Sol. Kanina pa niya inaantay. Sarah. Ikat mo na lang si Ate Sol. Ipag-crack mo na lang si Ate Sol.
Kanino? Bakit mga itong mga malalaki?
Ayun, mga pasal.
Look, hawakan mo yung sa'yo. Hawakan mo yung sa'yo. Huwag yung mga alak nyo, baka matabi mo siya. Hoy, pakiusap mo pong baso. Yung pong baso, pakitabi mo ng baso. Pakipasok. Pasok.
Ang layo po!
Relax, girl. Relax, girl.
Pasok mo yung baso niya. Pasok mo yung baso niya. Center lang, center. Labis ka ng dalawa. Basa niya yung wala. Ganyan na.
One. Wait lang ah. Ito yung akin. Ito yung akin. Kay Ate Sol yan. Malis na si Ate Sol eh. Yan.
Basa mo ba yung isa? Sakto na ba?
Ito yung sa akin.
Sakto na?
Meron pa isa. May isa pa dito. May isa pa dito. May dito pa, oh. Isa.
Nanay Sol.
Ayan nga, oh, kay nanay.
Anyways, come back.
Uwi na siya.
Tawagan na lang.
Okay.
Tawagan si Ate Sol.
Parang hindi tayo makabasa.
Kanina pa inaantay ito ni Ate Sol eh.
Ayun nga, sabi niya. Ready? Les, pakitay. Les, tay. In count of 3. Buyong baso. Buyong baso nyo. Ipasok mo muna. Para hindi tayo makabasa. Lahat ba ng baso? Lahat ng baso. Kinabos.
Reading!
Inside, there's a little bit. Check it out. Check it.
May something inside. We need to do it.
What do you call a fish without eyes?
Hello. Okay. We start from the table.
Sasagutin mo sa
Yung question. Sino nag-start? Where your...
Ba't parang hindi sila?
Buksan mo siya.
How do you know if you're upset?
Round.
There is a red one.
Already the crown, the red one.
Inside the program.
Andyan.
Tignan mo sa loob. Lumusot. Lumusot sa ulo ko.
How do you know if you're upset? You always upset here.
Yay!
He give you the cold shoulder.
Yeah!
So clever.
Doon na ba sa kabila? Sa kabila, sa kabila. Diyan na lang lahat.
Would you like this?
Parang, ay wag na, malilingyo ko pa.
It's a riddle. I am a ball
No ball. Okay, this time. We go to Joyce.
Tapusin mo muna kami lahat.
Guys, kailangan nyo maki-operate tayo. May saya-saya naman.
Okay, everyone.
Why is a clock never full?
No?
Again.
Why is a clock never full?
Why is clock never full?
Why?
Why? Why? Why?
Because it always has 124 seconds. What is the sweetest planet in the galaxy?
What is it?
Why is it?
Marshmallow. Mars.
Marshmallow.
What do you think?
Oh, punta na, Jojo. What do you think?
Pig.
Pork chop. Pork chop. Oh, yeah. Binasa mo. Wala kami. Sige na kasi wala ako. Meron ako ka na.
What gets wetter than the electrons?
Huwag kami din. Nagkakaroon kasi ako.
Ang dami kasing echo.
Ano
Ng
ba?
microphone.
What gets the wetter than more electrons?
What if?
Again, Miss Rep.
What gets wetter than more electrons?
What gets wetter? Pussy.
Ice. Ice.
Sorry. Ito na word first na what gets wet. At sawa.
Okay, listen. What did Christmas say to Halloween? Again?
What did Christmas say to Halloween?
Yes.
Ho, 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 ho. Ano?
You're so last season.
You're so last season.
Okay, here we go. Next question.
Daming echo kasi ng mic kaya ni Betty yan.
Oh, I like this one. Guys, I like this one.
Grabe ang echo, no?
Wait.
It's a reason.
Grabe echo.
I can wait forever.
Hindi, wait. Echo tayo, echo. Try mo, boy. Boy, try.
Hello, this is my
Yan, di ba? Mas maganda?
Hey, Auntie. This is Riddle. And this is about us.
Okay?
Easy. Question. If
Hi,
your
Sis Omi.
auntie's brother is not your
Nag-ano kami ng
uncle,
ano namin.
what relationship is he to you?
Helper! Auntie!
Sorry, what's the answer? Your dad. That's correct. If your auntie's brother is not your uncle, what relationship is he to you? The answer is your dad. Ready? Last question is, can anyone guess who you are? Yes or no?
I'm a Barbie girl.
Only. Actually,
Nabasa na po kanina to eh.
Nabasa na?
Hi, viewers.
Okay, next question. What food do scorpions love?
Ate Kay, wala ka?
What food do scorpions love?
Karehas?
Wow!
Magkagaya sila, hay!
Kaparehas.
Magkagaya. Ay, kagaya ng akin. I love you.
How many months in a year have 28 days?
Okay, go.
12.
One.
12.
Ay, 12 ba?
Yeah, you're right. All the lands have
Yes.
Yay!
How many man?
Jen. Same.
Ito na lang gusto.
Oh, wait.
Malay mo, hindi na alala. Yun na lang read, dala basahin.
What is the fifth dark oak?
Huwag mong kainin yung salita mo.
Alright, Lisa's parents have five.
Wala, hindi na. Okay na? Sarap?
Huwag mong What kind of band never plays music?
Band?
Yeah.
Rubber band?
Band-Aid!
It's a riddle. You can catch me, but you can never throw me. What am I?
Ginger Redman! Feelings!
Tiger Woods!
Oh, a cold.
I can catch a feeling. I can catch a feeling. Never throw it. Catch me if you fall. Did I throw it?
Ready?
Awi!
Oy, magbabasa na si Ninong.
Si
Ninong daw.
What is the gorilla's favorite Christmas song?
Hi! Thank you so much!
Okay. What is the gorilla's favorite Christmas song?
What is gorilla's favorite song?
Yes. No.
Jingle bells.
Next.
Massage. Massage is the answer.
Riddle.
Okay.
What runs but never walks and has a bed but never sleeps? What runs but never walks and has a bed but never sleeps?
Runny nose.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yun na lang puti, gamitin mo tayo, yung puti. May puti doon. Gamitin mo yung puti.
Why is the clock never full? Why is the clock never full?
Seconds.
Because it's a clockwise. Because it always says true for seconds.
Yeah.
Parang hindi masaya. Hindi ba kayo masaya?
Riddle.
Guys.
You will buy me to eat, but you will never eat me.
No! Gingerbread.
Wrong pronunciation.
That is right.
It's my turn. Guys, listen. This is a riddle. Question. I have one eye, but I cannot see. What am I?
One eye.
Needle!
Ano yung kagaya? Kagaya.
Diba? Needle.
How many sides does the circle have? How many sides does the circle have?
Zero.
One-sided.
Two.
And whose side?
Manila.
Inside, outside.
Akala mo two-sided beach.
Inside, outside.
In and out.
Ay, may paganon man siya.
Okay, next question. Listen. Why could no one hear the phone? Why could no one hear the phone? Why could no one did hear, right?
It was a little horse.
Good job. Kasi that's why you say easy.
Ayun yan, masakit sa likod na. Lalaki isa.
It was a little horse.
May pumigan.
Palibasa, parehas kami ng question. Parehas kami ng question.
Ang mahalaga na magbasa ka.
Uy.
Oh, ate Carlo, bago ko ka.
Okay.
Okay,
touch of the pencil case.
The ruler!
Ruler.
Kagaya, kagaya.
Hindi, iba. I heard it from somewhere.
Okay, your turn.
Hoy, Tomas! Ikaw na, Tomas! Rafael!
Okay, Tomas, clean up.
Clean up! Clean up! Everybody! Clean up! Clean up! Clean up! Put your foot away!
Guys,
Clean up time na!
Toys! Clean up your book!
Clean up time!
Your face away! Ayun!
Kala ko may dollar eh.
May dolyar.
we will do the present.
Clean up!
Wait, we do the number first.
Dapat kami yung baso sa ano. Hindi ginagamit ako kapasok siya.
Ano? Padaan. Clean up. Ba't nawala?
Yes, please, bring it on. Habang maaga, wala pa nagamit pa na. Habang maaga,
Habang maaga ka, umaga.
at the end, then you pray.
Look at the mga aunties, no? So fresh, looking good.
Siyempre.
Oh yeah, good. Stop smiling with your last. Scrappy.
Buti mo lang yan! Kaya, ano?
Sige, Jayo. Sige,